Now let's see this thing. Maximum speed of a vehicle on banked road with friction. Here previously we have seen banking without friction, friction without banking. Now in this case both are there. Friction is there, banking is also there. That we need to focus on. Now here first of all we need to identify the direction of friction also here. Here we need to identify the direction of friction also. Look at now here. Now this is a curved road and so banking is done. So this is A and B and this is C and this is the angle of banking theta. Now look at now here. So on this body, so let's see the forces now. Weight of this body which is mg downward direction, and we draw a normal to the inclined plane, and along this direction we have a normal n. So this is, if I say y-axis, now this angle is theta. Here this angle is also theta and this angle is also theta. Okay. Now we can call this component, we can say this as the n cos theta, and this component, this direction, this component we can say this as a n sin theta. This is n sin theta. And there is a friction is present. Centrifugal force is there now first. Centrifugal force, this is what you tell me now, Fg. This directions. Now look at now here. Now, as we have seen earlier, what is the maximum save speed you tell me? Without friction we have seen. What is the maximum save speed without friction? We have seen now V is equal to what, tell me now? Yes, that is square root of what, tell me now? Rg into tan theta. This is the maximum speed without friction. And you see this thing here, if this is velocity is more than this, if velocity V value greater than square root of Rg into tan theta, then what happens now? Which direction the vehicle will fall? Outside or inside? Outside will fall. This vehicle will jump to the other side. And that's why if the vehicle try to move outside, then friction is inside. Okay. Then friction is inside. So friction will act like this. Friction will be always in the contact surface only like this. Here this is the friction. And friction is like this. Now, here this angle is theta, this angle is 90 minus theta, then this angle is again theta. Understood this angle? Now, we need to resolve into components again. So, this direction we have, one more component will come. This is what, tell me now? F cos theta will come. And this direction we have, what, tell me now? F sin theta. Okay, mg directions. Okay, f cos theta and this f sin theta. Now, understood the diagram first? Now, here, let's focus about what, tell me now here, upward force equal downward force and left force equal to right forces. Now, what is the upward force we have, tell me now? N cos theta, and that is equal downward forces are what, tell me now? Mg plus F sin theta, where F is what, tell me now? F is a frictional force And frictional force also we need to find out. And here tell me now here, what is the frictional force? You tell me now. F is equal to mu into N. Na? So here, this is frictional force. How much will come here? So N is upward directions. F is equal to what? Tell me now. Mu into N. F is equal to mu into N. So, and we'll keep like this. Now we'll further simplify later. So this is N cos theta, which is equal to what? Tell me now. Mg plus F is equal to mu into N into sin theta. Right. Let us call this is one equation. Now left force equal to right forces na? Left force is equal to right force. So tell me now what the left force here we have? Yes, that is F cos theta. F cos theta plus N into sin theta, and which is equal to what? Tell me now. That is Fg. Fg means what? Tell me. Centrifugal force. That is equal to what? Tell me now. Mv square by R. Yes, now you can see now here the two equations we have to see, and we need to get out, or we'll substitute this thing, we'll simplify. So what we'll get now here? Yeah, so N cos theta. Okay. We have what? Tell me now. First equation, second equation, we'll see this thing. N cos theta, which is equal to what? Tell me now. This is mg plus what? Tell me now. Mu n into sin theta. Check it. First equation. And second equation, what we have? Tell me. So this is F is equal to mu n. F is equal to mu n we can place. So this is mu n into what? Tell me now. Mu n into cos theta plus n sin theta. Yes, so which is equal to what? Tell me now. Mv square by R. Now what I am doing is, and bring the mg from this equation, we'll take the mg by this ratio we'll take now. I am taking the ratio between mv square by R by mg. Tell me what I will get. So mv squared by R means we have this as mu n into cos theta plus what? Tell me now. N sin theta by what? Tell me now here. That is n cos theta minus mu n into sin theta. Mu n into sin theta. So then n value will get cancelled. So then it is, which is equal to mu cos theta, and what is the left side will left out? Tell me now. Left side is m value will get cancelled, that is v square by rg, which is equal to, yes, mu cos theta plus sin theta by what? Tell me now. Cos theta minus sin theta. Yeah, mu sin theta. Right. Now we'll divide the numerator denominator with the tan theta. Divide with the tan theta, sorry, cos theta will divide. So then we'll come to the v square by rg. Will come it as what? Tell me now. Mu plus tan theta. Check it. By 1 minus mu tan theta will come. Right. So from this, what we can say now, this is v value, v square. V value is equal to what I can say now, this is square root of what? Tell me now. Rg into what? Tell me now. So this is tan theta plus mu by 1 minus mu tan theta. 1 minus mu tan theta. Right. Here mu is equal to tan phi. Mu is equal to what? Tell me, tan phi. Angle of friction. Then we'll come it as V is equal to what? Tell me now here, square root of, that is Rg into what we have? Tell me now here. This is tan theta plus tan phi by what? Tell me now. 1 minus tan theta into tan phi now. So have you seen this formula? Yes, tan of A plus B now here. So will come to be what? Tell me now here. This is square root of, this is Rg into tan of A plus B. Theta plus phi will come. Okay. So in this case, if you observe carefully, what we have seen now here, this velocity, if it is greater than Rg tan theta we have taken, that's why friction is inside. If the velocity is less than that, in that case, what happens now here? In that case, the velocity, the friction is outside. Yes, in that case, how much the speed will come here in that case? So here, if V is less than square root of Rg into tan theta, in this case, friction is inside. In this case, friction is inside. In that case, what will be the minimum speed now here? We can get minimum speed. And which is equal to what? Tell me now. This is Rg into tan of, same procedure, will come it as theta minus phi. Theta minus phi. Earlier theta plus phi now. So that means finally the safe speed of the vehicle, it should be lies between these. Speed of the vehicle, which will be equal to what? Tell me now here. So it should be V minimum we have seen and V maximum. V maximum is how much, you tell me now? Square root of Rg into tan of theta plus phi. The safe speed of the vehicle should be lies between these two. It should be greater than this much and less than this much. Velocity of the vehicle, it should be greater than V minimum but less than V maximum. If it is minimum, so what happens now? The vehicle will fall inside. If it is maximum, vehicle will fall outside. The safe speed of the vehicle should lies between this.